Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the Karaca BlackGold nonstick pots and pans set, a premium 7-piece cookware collection, including 3 pots with lids and a frying pan. Made from innovative biogranite material, this set is up to 7 times more scratch-resistant than typical cookware, ensuring long-lasting durability. The non-stick interior makes cooking and cleaning effortless, while the stain-proof exterior keeps your kitchen looking pristine. Equipped with heat-resistant Bakelite handles, these pots and pans offer safety and comfort during use. Plus, they are dishwasher-safe for added convenience, making them perfect for everyday cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile, durable, and stylish cookware set today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.